新闻头家先来关心美国总统川普15日在白宫会见委内瑞拉反对派领袖马查多，而且这马查多是佮讲伊要将伊拄啊摕到这个诺贝尔和平奖来送给川普。不过川普政府目前看来，比起委内瑞拉的民主转型，是佮较重视即摆临时政府会当来供应石油给美国。
How was your meeting with the president?
Very well.
Did you give him the Nobel Peace Prize?
委内瑞拉反对派领袖马查多和支持者围内离开白宫，这是伊头一届得到邀请，甲美国总统 Trump 见面。尤其马查多顶个月才拄摕到诺贝尔和平奖，外界传讲伊可能把这份荣耀转送给吹杀马杜罗落台的 Trump。不过，伊伫行出白宫的时，唔愿讲明会谈的细节。虽然马查多互人看作是民主的代表，也唔过 Trump 对伊的政治前途煞有真现实的考量。
Is it still the president's assessment that it would be very hard for Ms. Machado to leave Venezuela because he says she lacks the respect and support in that country?
It was a realistic assessment based on what the president was reading and hearing from his advisors and national security team.
了后，马查多嘛去到国会山庄见看党派参议员。不过，川普政府目前敢若更较看重甲代理总统罗德里格斯的沟通，并无对委内瑞拉民主转型提出具体的时间表。
Bello, the de facto number 2 in Venezuela right now, he seemed pretty reluctant to work with the U.S. And obviously
they just gave us 50 million barrels of oil.
在两个人会谈的同时，美军南方司令部伫加勒比海搁再出手，成功扣押一架号做是维罗尼卡号的游船，这是最近美方扣押的第6架船。这架游船，互人指控是违反川普迄条受制裁船只的禁令。针对委内瑞拉内部反美国的声音，川普展现强势的态度，强调石油利益才是美方上界关注的目标。公司新闻陈伟玲、吴基昌编译。